Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to confirm your phone number on PayPal. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! PayPal is one of the largest online banking and wallet system in the world with more than 430 million active users. With an account and deposit cash, you can pay for nearly anything on the web, which makes PayPal important for all kinds of users. That also means keeping your contact info updated is important. So, if PayPal is of your financial hub, it needs the correct address and phone number information. So in this video, I will show you how to confirm your mobile phone to make it easier to recover your password so your PayPal account will be more safe. Will be safe. It's very simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our PayPal. You can open it on your mobile app or you can open on your website. You can log in into your account. After that, you can see there is an option confirm your mobile phone. If you haven't confirmed your mobile phone on PayPal, you'll find this notification on your PayPal. So you can just click on that. Confirm your mobile phone number for extra security. You can click on next. So PayPal will send you confirmation code to your number. You'll receive the code on your phone. Your code was sent to this number. Once confirmed, PayPal won't ask for this info again. If you don't receive, you can just click on resend. Now you can enter the code and now you're all set. You have confirmed your mobile phone number on your PayPal account. So now your PayPal account will be more safe. It's very simple, right? So that is how to confirm your mobile phone on PayPal. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!